Building and fume extraction is important to good workplace health in a manufacturing environment. The Nederman FilterBox gives you access to a powerful and mobile solution. With push-button controls, it is a snap to start fume extraction or clean the filter. The control box has an LCD display with advanced filter monitoring system, indicating when it is time to clean or change the filter cartridge, combined with an alarm notification. After cleaning the filter, the dustbin can be opened quickly, dumped, and reattached. The FilterBox also has an industry-exclusive dual-stage filter cleaning system and non-return damper to stop particle re-entrance to the work environment. Locking wheels keep the unit in place until you are ready to move it. The integrated silencer ensures quiet operation for the FilterBox. The FilterBox is available in single or dual-arm applications to suit your needs. Plug-and-play design makes the FilterBox quick and easy to assemble and use. The Nederman FilterBox is flexible, modular, and solves many demands for fumes and dust extraction.